You are playing online chess and you are tired of being stuck at the same rating for weeks, maybe even months. You win 2, then lose 3 in a row. Your rating goes up and then crashes back down. Today, I'm going to give you 24 secret elo gaining hacks that actually work, no clickbait. These are the things I have tested personally or learned from stronger players, and most of them have nothing to do with studying for 5 hours a day. Whether you are rated 800 or 1800, you'll walk away with tips you can use immediately to climb faster, play smarter, and tilt less. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1. Do not tilt. If you lose 2 games in a row, stop. Don't try to win it back. Not always you can play at same strength. Take some rest and come back until you feel you are physically and mentally active. You wouldn't drive a car angry. Don't play chess angry either. Tip number 2. Play when you are mentally fresh. Chess is not a background task. Don't play rated games when you are sleepy, hungry, or annoyed. Your focus is half the battle. If you don't want to play unrated, then I can give you a bonus tip here. Open a new account and play there only when you are hungry, tired, angry, or sleepy. You will notice euro difference between your two accounts of like 100 to 200 euro. Tip number 3. Always review your losses. Every loss has a reason. Even just asking, where did the game go wrong, helps you avoid repeating the same mistake 20 times. Yeah, it is very satisfying to play one brilliant move and enjoy for 2 days, but you have to work on your weaknesses first and review lost games with self-analysis or with engine or coach. Tip number 4. Stick to one opening system. Pick one setup, master it. When your brain isn't busy remembering 50 lines, it can focus on strategy and tactics, where games are actually won. Creating a strong opening repertoire helps you play confidently, at least in the opening, even if you are facing a grandmaster. Tip number 5. Don't rush winning positions. You are better, you are up material, now take a deep breath. So many people throw away own games by playing too fast. Strong players are not those who always get a winning position, but are those who can convert a retail advantage to a win. Tip number 6. Study the first 10 moves. Use the Opening Explorer or chess.com database. If you know the first 10 moves well, you will reach a playable middle game every time. And you will know the exact plans of you and your opponent in the middle game. Tip number 7. Play longer time controls. Bullet and breeze are fun, but rapid is where you improve. In 10 plus 10 or 15 plus 10, you will see why things happen, not just what happens. You will have to win the win position here, unlike bridge and bullet, where you have advantage but still you want to win by fragging the opponent. Tip number 8. No pre-moves in rapid. One wrong pre-move and you lose your queen. Just don't do it. Think, then move. Blitz and bullet. Go crazy. But in rapid, stay calm. Make an arrow of your move before playing and see if anything is wrong here, and this is called blunder check. Tip number 9. Know one trick for opening. Learn one trap in the London, one trick in the Sicilian. Not 20 lines, just one. It's often enough to catch unprepared opponents who just play random openings without knowing two moves of theory. Tip number 10. Mentally ask what's their threat. Every move, before you even look for your plan, asks, what is my opponent threatening? It saves games, saves material, saves rating. Remember, if you lose a winning game, then you are actually losing 16 rating points, not 8, because you would have earned 8 rating points. Tip number 11. Avoid the rematch button. Lost a frustrating game? Don't rematch. Rematches are emotional, not logical. If you lost, you might kill. If you won, they might kill. Either way, play a fresh opponent. Take 30 seconds, walk away if needed, We set emotionally rematches often lead to tip traps. Tip number 12. Think safety before attack. Most games under 1600 are lost because of king safety. Before launching your queen across the board, make sure your king won't die first. Before you launch your queenside attack, ask, is my king safe? Because if it's not, your attack won't matter. Tip number 13. Use a good board theme. This sounds dumb, but bright colors or low contrast can ruin your vision. Find a board that helps you see clearly and calculate better. Use a high contrast board that helps you see clearly and calculate fast. Tip number 14. Check for hanging pieces. Most rating points are lost by missing free material. Before every move, is anything hanging? Am I missing a free piece? Ask every move. Did they plunder a piece or did I? Free material wins games more than any fancy tactic. Tip number 15. Stop after a rating spike. When you gain plus 50 or plus 100 in a streak, stop. Your level is high now. Don't risk ruining it with tired, curious games. Most people keep playing and ruin the high they just built. Tip number 16. Tactics before games. 5 minutes of puzzles a day sharpens your tactics better than 20 random breeze games. Speed plus accuracy is equals to wins. Do 3-5 puzzles before you start your session. It warms up your calculation and makes your first few games way sharper. Tip number 17. Manage your clock. You don't get bonus points for finishing 15 plus 10 game with 18 minutes left. Use your time wisely, think in critical moments, and also don't use 3 minutes on move 10 and panic later. Try to keep one third of your time for the last 10 moves. Be smart with your clock. Tip number 18. Never blame luck. Even if your opponent fact you in a winning position, it's okay. Learn, let go, and climb again. Chess rewards consistency, not rake. Bad positions are your fault. Dirty flagging? It happens. Learn from it. Dwelling on luck just distracts from your progress. Tip number 19. Test openings in unrated games. Don't test new openings in rated games. Play 5 unrated games first or play a new account as said on act number 2. Get used to it before trusting it with your hard-earned ELO. Tip number 20. Set a daily game limit. Just one more game is dangerous. Decide in advance. Don't play 50 games a day. Set a limit like 5 to 10 rapid games, review them, then stop. Playing too much lowers your quality and burns you out. Tip number 21. Learn basic endgames. Imagine losing a winning rook endgame just because you didn't know how to push a pawn. Learn a few basics, they pay off forever. King plus pawn versus king, Lucina position, fielder position, these aren't GM only things. They win real points in online rapid. Tip number 22. Respect every opponent. Being overconfident is dangerous. Focus on the board, not the number next to their name. A 200 with tactics can clash a careless 1600. Just because they are 200 doesn't mean they can't see a fork. Play every game like it's a tournament game. Full focus. Tip number 23. Have a clear goal. Random playing really works. But when you say, I want to reach 1800 in 3 months or I want to reach 2000 in 10 months, you will train better, focus more and care more. It helps you practice with purpose. Tip number 24. Enjoy the climb. ELO is just a number. Growth happens when you enjoy learning, improving, and laughing at your mistakes. The rest will follow. Don't obsess over ELO. Obsess over improvement. Laugh at your blunders. Learn from them. Enjoy the grind. The rating will follow. So those were 24 secret hacks that can genuinely help you gain rating, not by grinding, but by playing smarter. The secret is there is no hack without consistency. I'll be posting new chess content every week, tips, strategy, improvement, and fun. So make sure to subscribe.